Hi guys, today we're going to read the story about my cat. Maats, vandag gaan ons 'n Engelse storie lees, My Cat. Dit beteken my kat. I'm going to read each sentence and you repeat after me. Goed maats, kom ons lees. Here is my cat. My cat is small. My cat has a tail. It is fluffy. I feed my cat. I play with my cat. Baie mooi maats, well done guys. Kom ons lees saam. Let us read together. Here is my cat. My cat is small. My cat has a tail. It is fluffy. I feed my cat. I play with my cat. Baie mooi maats. Well done everybody. Let us see if you can answer a few questions now. Kom ons kyk of jy mooi geluister het en of jy 'n paar vrae kan beantwoord. What is the title? Is it my dog or my cat? Yes, it is my cat. Does my cat have a tail? Yes or no? Yes, my cat does have a tail. Who feeds my cat? Is it mommy, daddy, or me? Yes, it's me. Maats, ek hoop julle het die storie baie geniet. Well done guys, I hope you really enjoyed the story today. Look out for the next story so we can read again. Kyk uit vir my volgende storie sodat ons weer lekker saam kan lees. And don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Take care guys and please be safe. Until next time. Dankie maats. Totsiens tot volgende keer.